You want to add captions to your videos but don't want to spend money on captioning service. Adding captions can be a great way to reach a wider audience. Captions can also help you to improve SEO for your videos. But adding captions can be really time consuming and even expensive if you use a professional captioning service. So in this video, we will show you easy ways to add captions to your videos for free and fast. We'll also share some tips on how to make sure the captions look great. So let's get started. First option is with the Google Drive, one of the most well-known cloud services in Google Drive, which lets you share your data and access it from anywhere in the globe using any device. Few consumers are aware about the Google Drive can allow you to caption your videos. It's simple and costs nothing. This is how it can be done. Step 1. Log in or create an account on the drive.google.com. Select the movie you wish to add subtitles to by clicking New. File Upload. After the movie loads in your Google Drive, select Manage Caption Tracks by clicking on the More button. At this point, choose Add New Caption Tracks. Choose your caption file in the SRT format, select the language for your new caption and provide a track title. Next step is to add subtitles to your movie. Click Upload. The opportunity to add ready caption is provided by the practical and straightforward service. If you wish to distribute them, just select More, Manage Caption Tracks, go to your caption track and click Disable. Next is you can use Caption Maker to add words and captions. Another program that can assist you in creating captions on the Windows and Mac is called Caption Maker. Although there is a demo version of the program, it's not free. As a result, you may download it and test vast majority of the alternatives before making a choice. It is very easy to customize Caption Maker. How to use Caption Maker to create closed captions? The first step is click here to download the Caption Maker for Mac or PC. Next, launch the application on your Mac or PC. Use File, Open Movie to import your video file. Then set the appropriate time for your caption in the step 4. Another, fill out the caption subtitle section with your content. Use Agesub to add text and closed caption to the video. Similar to the Notepad, the Agesub is a straightforward cross-platform narrative editor that makes creating closed caption and content effortless. You don't need to open your video in a different video player because the software includes a built-in video player. To build text or captions to your video, follow these steps. First, free Agesub download available here. Install the launch Agesub in step 2. Set the time interval for your document in step 3. Step 4. Type the text and your movie will appear here. Now click the green arrow to save the reading after you input it. Now click File, Export as after finishing your work to save your subtitles in the SRT format. You may also add text to your movies using Agesub, a small and simple caption builder, without having to learn a lot about the technical aspect of the creation. Editing your caption for accuracy and completeness is a really important part of the post-production process. By taking the time to review and reverse your caption, you can ensure that your videos are accurate and complete. Additionally, editing your caption need to be improve overall quality of your video. When editing your captions, be sure to check for types of grammars, errors, and factual inaccuracies. By taking the time to edit your captions, you can create a better user experience for your viewers. Next, make sure your videos are captioned for all audience. Online video becomes increasingly popular. It's important to make sure that your videos are accessible to all type of audience. One way to do this is by adding captions. Captions provide the text version of the audio track for viewers who simply prefer to read rather than listen. In addition, caption can be used to provide translation into other languages. There are a few different ways to add captions to your videos. So, if you are posting your videos on a website, video sharing platform, you may have the option to upload caption file along with the video. Alternatively, you can use automatic captioning services, which uses speech recognition technology to generate the captions from the audio track. However, these services aren't always accurate, so it's really important to proofread the caption before posting your video. Test different captioning methods to find what works best for you. So as someone who is hard of hearing, I have found that captioning can be extremely helpful in variety of the situation. However, not all captioning methods are equally effective and good for your need. In order to find what works best for you, it is really important to experiment with the different caption tools. With that said, do let me know which caption method you found the most effective and which one are you going to use. Do comment below, and I'll see you soon in the next video with another great value, with another great amazing lesson. Till then, do not forget to subscribe the channel, share this video, and I, Priya Sachdeva, will see you next time. Till then, bye bye and happy creation.